It's raining now. And there was lightning. I didn't have time to film it. I didn't have my phone. There was lightning. Let's see if I can find another lightning bolt. Bro, it was literally raining. See that?
You're not supposed to be.
I'm literally wet right now. Yeah. Another one is going to come and hit us, people. Just like the other video. So, we're not gonna have no internet light for a while. Come on, lightning. Lightning, bro. Lightning. Pop up some lightning. There we go. Wait, did you see that? Because I did. I did IRL. Oh my god. Can you hear that, people? Oh god. Okay, guys, I'm going inside because it's going to get bad. Okay, guys, see you later.